let's start the video now. Guys, it's Nea here. Welcome to my channel. And before start the video, I just want to tell you Happy New Year. Oh my god. Yeah, Happy New Year. And sorry for the face, for the scarf and everything, but it's like 4 o'clock in the morning and it's too cold here. So yeah, sorry about that. And nothing after that. I think I should start the video, right? So let's move into the video. Poof! As you probably see from the title of this video, today I'm going to introduce my channel and explain you what the channel is about. Yeah. And yeah, the first topic is makeup, because it's one of my biggest passion. So yeah, I was so happy to share what I know, and I was so happy as well if you guys can share what you know, so we can share all this information together and grow up together. Again, how many times I need to say the same word? Oh my god. Blah, blah, blah. The second topic is challenges. So, because I'm crazy, I define myself a crazy person, and because I really like challenge myself in different things, I really think that this it could be possibly a good idea. So if you guys have any challenge in your mind, please share this idea that you got in your mind in the comment down below if this makes sense. Oh my god, I'm so confused, I'm so tired. Fault. Anyway, I hope this makes sense. If it's not, I'm so sorry. Topics is traveling. I really love to travel, but have no money. So yes, I hope this 2018 will be better than the 2017. 17, yeah. Yeah. After the 17, there is the 18. So, topics is talking about me, so where I live, and like vlogs, all this stuff. So if you guys want to know more about me, let me know in the comment down below. So I was so happy to share some stuff of my life with you. So yes, just let me know in the comment down below. Oh my god, I just don't like these things. Oh, I'm trying to cover this with my scarf now. Topics is not one topics, but it's kind of different topic, general different topics, put it all together. So should I say group of topics? Is that word? Is not that word, but anyway, hope you get it. And yeah, so you guys can choose a specific topic, and I'm going to talk about this. And yeah, the only thing that you need to do is just write the topic in the description down below. In the description down no, in the comment down below. And so it's the end of this video, guys. If you like it, give to this video a thumbs up. I will so appreciate. Comment down below as well any idea that you got in your mind. I will so happy. And also subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video, which I will upload when next week, next Wednesday. See you guys, bye.